In today's review, we're diving into the Harley Street Hair Clinic. If you've been struggling with hair loss or alopecia, you've likely come across this name during your search for solutions. The clinic has built a solid reputation for offering a range of hair restoration treatments. But does it live up to the hype? The Harley Street Hair Clinic offers a variety of services including hair transplants, PRP therapy, and scalp micropigmentation. All treatments are designed to help individuals suffering from hair thinning or baldness. The clinic prides itself on using advanced technology and the expertise of well-trained specialists to deliver the best possible results. I'll start by discussing the clinic's environment and staff. Upon entering, the first thing you notice is the professional and welcoming atmosphere. The clinic is well kept, and the staff is friendly and knowledgeable, always ready to answer any questions you might have. Their expertise is evident, and they seem genuinely interested in helping you find the right solution for your hair loss issues. One of the standout features of the Harley Street Hair Clinic is the consultation process. They take the time to fully assess your hair loss condition and provide you with tailored recommendations. Whether you're interested in hair transplants or non-invasive treatments like PRP therapy, they ensure that you're fully informed before making a decision. This level of care sets them apart from many other clinics. However, it's important to note that the treatments offered by the Harley Street Hair Clinic are not inexpensive. Prices can vary greatly depending on the type of procedure, but they tend to be on the higher end of the market. This could be a deal breaker for some individuals, especially when there are more affordable alternatives out there. Now, let's talk about the results. After undergoing a procedure with the Harley Street Hair Clinic, many clients report positive outcomes. Whether it's increased hair density, improved scalp health, or a more youthful appearance, the results tend to speak for themselves. That being said, results can vary, and not everyone experiences the same level of success. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. In conclusion, the Harley Street Hair Clinic is a reputable and high-quality option for those seeking hair restoration treatments. While the services are top-notch, they come at a price. If you're willing to invest in your hair restoration journey, it's certainly a clinic worth considering. But as with any major decision, it's essential to do your research, evaluate your options, and ensure that the treatment plan aligns with your budget and expectations. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Your support means a lot, and it helps me bring you even more content like this. Thanks for watching.